We feel the energy, bass is thumping loud. It's a symphony.